Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rajat, and in today's video we are going to build a gaming PC. Now this is a very different video and something that I was not planning on making in the beginning of 2021, but I did have to make it happen because I couldn't get my hands on a PS5 or an Xbox Series X. I have been dying to play video games for a very long time now. I think it's been over 2 years since I have played Call of Duty. 2-3 months more on for a PS5 or an Xbox. I decided to build my own gaming PC. And the main feature of this build is going to be the RTX 3070, which I'm really excited about. So let's get started. Thank you so much for being here. Please do subscribe.
The total cost of this PC came to be around $1,800 including taxes at Micro Center, which is quite good. For the motherboard, I went with the Asus X570-E, which will last me a long time and is compatible with the new generation CPUs and the GPUs as well. For the processor, I couldn't get my hands on the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X, so I went with the Ryzen 7 3700X, which is a generation old. For storage, I went with Samsung's two SSDs, one M.2 and one SATA, 500 gigs and 1 TB. For the RAM, I went with two 8GB G.Skill Trident RAMs, which are RGB. For the power supply, I got the G.Skill MB750 power supply, which should be more than enough. The main piece of this gaming PC build is the MSI Gaming X-Trio RTX 3070 8GB graphics card, which I was very lucky to get my hands on while someone was returning it back for some reason at Micro Center. So let's get started.
Looks beautiful. I got the one generation less processor, but I think this should be good enough for me. So this latch right here, push it out and lift it up. It's gonna go up. There you go. Stay like that. Move that. This right here is a processor. Do not touch the bottom part in any way. Always pick it up from the corners. And then there is going to be a triangle right there. There we go. Okay, so there is a triangle right there. So that triangle is going to go along with that one. So let me just pop this baby up. There we go. Lifting it up from the side. Oh wow, this it's heavy. Hold it from the corners. There you go. From the corners, do not touch the pins. Okay, good so far. I have the triangle right there. Damn, my hands are shaking. I'll line it up. Can just... There we go. Okay, so as soon as I put that in, my hands were shaking. I've been playing volleyball. So once you do that, it's gonna have some force to it. And there you go, that's it. Do not touch the top. The cooler comes with the thermal paste already installed on it. So I'm just gonna remove this. The cables right there. These are for, I think, the RGB. And now, as for the guide, the AMD logo should come on the right corner of the motherboard, like so. So I'm going to place it like this, and I'm gonna start with this clamp. This is a different clamp than this one. This one has a lever to place it on there. So I'm gonna start with this lever, put it in here. So let's see. This is gonna go in like this. Take a look. Okay, that got in there. Can place this thing in. Right. Okay. Looks good so far. There we go. I can pop this up. Move this down there. for sure. Okay, there we go. Just a little bit. And there we go. Boom. Okay, cool. Okay, nothing broke. Okay, we are installing the Samsung 970 EVO 500 gigs M.2 SSD. So I'm going to use this one right here. But before I do that, I'll have to take this whole thing off because it's all linked up. So there's another screw below this, and there's another one right there. So I'll have to take this whole thing off in order to access this one. So I'm gonna pop this baby off. It's right there. Place it. Now I'm gonna install the Samsung M.2. Okay, there we go. Okay. This thing, boom. There we go. Let's grab the screw again. Okay, so we are done with the motherboard as of now. We have our RAMs right here. These are RGB. We have our cooler here, or the fan, which is also RGB. Processor installed. We have our M.2 SSD right there. The RGB connectors are in. The fan connection is in. And now we are going to get our case out. And let's see if the case looks cool. Alright, so this right here is the Lian Lancool 2 case. It's in black. I love it. It's simple. I'm not going to be using that much RGB. This is the front right here. Then you have your controls. This is right here is your tempered glass. The back looks fine. And I think this case comes with 3 non-RGB fans. So that should be fun. So, alright, so now let's open this baby up.
Different like a toy. See you dancing, tell her, call you me and more. Know you gave it all, but now you need to give me more. Fasten, don't you? I'm a window tinted out the Ford. But before you know it, gonna pick up 3 or 4. They can hear me roaring from the city to the shore. And to wear a mask to keep my face clean from the blood and gore. Need the lights on, don't need a trick. The moon it shines on, shine on my wrist. I'm gonna take it, I need a trick. Decapitated, love like the reaper. Need the lights on.
Look at this baby. It looks amazing. This is fun. Feeding on the skeleton and soon you see the crows. See the crows. Yeah, they feeding on. We gon'. Alright, so the system is done, finally. I started working on it yesterday around 11, and right now it's around 12. Okay, so we have the default fan here. That's from AMD, came with the processor. The 2 default fans are right there, one at the back, there, 3070 graphics card, 2 RAMs, 8 gigs each by G.Skill. I have the PSU right there. That's cool. No hard drives right there, nothing. The cable management kind of looks like a mess, but I was able to fix it most of the way. So at the back we have the IO shield right here. This is the Wi-Fi 6 antenna right there. Your PSU, I'll put the brackets in as well, should be good. On the back side it does look neat. I tucked in the cables right there. The rest of the cables are in this panel right here, here, and then right there. So I know it's not a great cable management, but it should do fine for some time.
We gon' driving that Tesla, called the selling killer like I'm a Elon, driving to Mexico, living the ethical like I'm a Philo, wearing that mask and apparel, we scary, dieta, las muertos. Rum lemonade, loving the shade. Don't need the lights on, don't need a tray. The moon it shines on my wrist. I'm gonna take it, I need a tea, decapitated, love like the reaper. Don't need the lights on, don't need a tray. The moon it shines on my wrist. I'm gonna take it, I need a tea, decapitated, love like the reaper.
Alright, so the desktop is up, but since I don't have an extra table and I don't have enough space on my desk as of now, my roommate suggested that we can use the box and the foam that it came with and put it on top of that so that it's on level.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I will make sure to leave the links for each of these products in the description of this video so that you can grab these for yourself if you like them. If you have any questions, please feel free to write a comment down below, and please do subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Peace.